Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be changing out the old hood latch on my TJ here. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So I picked up these hood latches on Amazon. They were relatively inexpensive. They're a nice, cheap way to upgrade something on your Jeep. These are adjustable, so it'll help get rid of that hood flutter. Now, the reviews are kind of mixed. Some people say they're great, some people say they're not. So we're going to see how they do today. So far, I'm really impressed with them. All I've done is take them out of the box. They also come with a very wide variety of colors as well as designs. I opted for a red set. I think that these will look great. It'll match the red rope on my winch as well as some red accessories I have on the inside. Now in this kit, you've got the latch, a hook that goes onto your hood, as well as some Allen wrenches, instructions, and all the hardware you need. If you're interested in this or any others, I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description below. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the old latch assembly here. And in order to do so, there should be one 15mm nut up underneath. I dropped my socket over there. Easy as that. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the latch portion on the hood. And in order to do so, there's going to be two 10mm nuts on the inside here. It's taking forever. I'm getting power. Alright, I think I'm going to get a rag and clean that up a little bit. So now that that's out of the way, we can go ahead and install our new one. Now, it does come with hardware, and this is your adjustable portion. So you want to make sure that you leave it a little bit loose once you install it. You know, it would help if it was going the right way. Now, in order to install this assembly, you actually need to disassemble it. So they give you a couple of Allen wrenches in the kit. We just need to remove this pin here. That way we can access the hardware. Once that's removed, we can go ahead and install this lower bracket. Now that that bracket's installed, we can go ahead and reassemble while simultaneously trying not to cross thread it. There we go. Alright, now that we're all assembled, we can lay our hood down and try to adjust our latch. So how I would suggest adjusting the latch is to leave this portion snug, hold the hood down tight, and almost completely lock your latch. Once that's done, you can pull that out and go ahead and cinch down your hardware. Overall, I'm really happy with the way these turned out. Now, they do contact the hood just a little bit, so I think I'm going to take a file and file it down. It did completely get rid of all hood flutter, which is great. Now, I did see some of the reviews on Amazon talked about using Loctite on some of this hardware. It's probably not a bad idea. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on TikTok at It's Project Venture, as well as Instagram at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching.